Looking for a quick, delicious, and gluten-free noodle option? Try this easy rice paper noodle, ready in minutes and packed with flavor. Start by soaking 2 rice paper sheets in room temperature water for just a few seconds. Lay them flat on a cutting board and wait until they're completely soft. Once soft, slice them into long, thin strips, just like noodles. Keep them in a bowl of water to prevent them from sticking. Next, grab your cooked chicken and thinly slice them. Now time for the sauce. Mix together soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, and some sesame seeds. Heat some oil in a pan and saute the minced garlic, then add onions, carrots, mixed peppers, and chicken. Stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes until the veggies are tender. Time to drain your rice paper noodles and toss them into the pan. Pour in the sauce and stir fry for another minute. Serve hot. Garnished with some chopped scallions and sesame seeds. A simple, satisfying meal that's ready in no time.